Today we are in District 19, and if you are looking for a family-sized 3-bed, 3-bath in Riverfront Residences with full-on facilities, mega development, I think this might just be the one for you. Follow me and let's take a look.
Before we head up, let me give you a quick sense of what it's like living in Riverfront Residences. Completed in late 2024, this is one of the most sought-after mega developments with 1,472 units. And because of the large land size, you're not just buying a unit, you're buying into a full living environment. Within the development itself, you already have commercial shops that cover your daily needs. And just a few minutes away, you're connected to Hougang MRT and Hougang Mall, so everything is within easy reach. On top of that, you have co-working spaces for your daily routine, function rooms for hosting, karaoke rooms for downtime, multiple themed pools, tennis courts, a basketball court. Everything is built for both lifestyle and convenience. This is also why mega developments like this continue to stay relevant. It's not just about enjoying the facilities today, but also making sure the project remains attractive when you plan your next move. So, as we head up to the unit, keep this in mind. You're not just choosing a layout, you're choosing the kind of living environment that supports your next phase. Let's go take a look.
So welcome to the unit. This is a corner unit, 1109 square feet, 3-bed, 3-bath. So first of all, for those of you who treasures your privacy, of course a corner unit will be good. But to add on to that, there is a privacy foyer over here, which you can definitely put in your cabinets if you want to. But the developer has already put in a storage cabinet over here. So for those of you who have storage needs, I think this is very well taken care of. And the first thing I want to show you is the enclosed kitchen. Beautiful countertop space. It's a very underutilized kitchen, so for those of you who cooks a lot, I think you can definitely take advantage of this. Leading into the kitchen would be the service yard, where you have a space that you can stack up a washer and a dryer, and that's what the owners have done. And of course, you have windows for natural ventilation. If you need a worker's quarter, I think that would be a very nice space for them. If not, it's a full-size storage room that you can use to keep all the things that your family needs. Let's move on to the dining and living. Over here, they have converted the dining into a study area for their son. If not, you can put a 6-seater over here, but they have chosen to put it outside to the balcony, which I'll show you later. The width of the living room is wide enough for them to put a recliner. That means they have some recessed space behind for the sofa to recline. Having that, they still have enough walking space between the sofa and the TV console. And this whole feature wall is built in for you, so there's minimal renovation that you need to do moving into this unit. Coming into the balcony, this is a longish balcony that can fit a 4-seater right now, but you can definitely upsize it to a 6-seater. And looking out to this direction, they are actually facing the garden. It's a very nice mid-floor level that you can enjoy the greenery. And of course, over at the other side, you will also have a glimpse of the river. That is why people like to be in this massive mega development that has 1,476 units, because it comes with absolutely everything, every facilities that you can think of, and yet you are not facing the noisy part of the development. In fact, at a day like this, you don't see anyone having activities here, and the wind here is actually very, very strong. And that's why today I'm wearing a cap. They have installed the zip track for you. This is an upgraded version zip track that they paid more than 20% than the market rate to have this stainless steel frame, so that no matter how strong the wind is, it will not rattle, it will last you a lifetime, and this will be stretched all along this balcony space. This unit is already very windy, but on days that you like to close up the sliding doors and still enjoy natural wind, of course, all the ceiling fans are here to serve that purpose. Okay, going in, we'll have a traditional layout of all the bedrooms having the same wonderful view as the living room. So let's check out the bedrooms right now. All the bedroom sizes are able to fit your queen size bed. So for the first bedroom, they have 2 working desks, but definitely you want to put your desk with super single or your queen size bed, there's no problem at all. I think the finishing of the wardrobe is also very nice with some champagne gold trimming and all the way up to the ceiling as well. Aircon unit from the developer, they have also added in a ceiling fan for you. This room will have access to the balcony as well. So if you want to open this up to a very wide living area, I think that is something you can explore as well. The second room would be the son's room. So you can see that it is fitting a single bed nicely. This you can visualize how you can put a study desk next to it for your children's study needs. The toilets and all the fittings are still in very pristine condition with all the finishing that the marble look like wall tiles, and you have a full window for the ventilation. I think that's what a lot of people will appreciate. And lastly, let's check out the master bedroom. Check out the size. So they have a queen bed right in the middle, and they have so much more space over here and on the other side that they have a dresser. So just imagine you can even put a king size bed with 2 side tables, and that is what all the new launches are selling you right now. And of course, all the rooms will have windows all the way down to the floor for maximum light, maximum breeze, and this wardrobe all the way to the ceiling. The finishing, like I said, is very nice champagne gold trimming. And then here we lead into the master bathroom, featuring that full-size window for ventilation, and it is very wide. And when you step inside, you can definitely feel the space in the master bathroom. So there you have seen it, a 3-bed, 3-bath, 1109 square feet. In today's market, I think such a size is very rare. And I think what is more important is how the owner has added value to the unit that you can actually inherit. So if you want to take a look at this unit in this mega development with a premium facing, quiet surrounding, you know the drill, hit me up and we will come here for a viewing.